Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, continuation of exercise problems 3.4. A drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Okay. Drunkard is walking, so his motion is 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward and so on, means continuation. Each step is 1 meter long, so each step distance is 1 meter long and required time 1 second. Okay, plot the xt graph for his motion. Determine graphically and otherwise how long the drunkard takes to fall in a pit 13 meters away from the start. So, in this question, first of all, we will plot the graph for xt graph. After at 13 meters, what is the time? Okay. So, this is the graph. For our convenience, I am taking this is the x axis, this is the y axis. Along x axis, I am taking the time, seconds. Along y axis, I am taking the displacement, along y axis, so units meter. Along y axis displacement means x, along x axis I am taking the time t. Okay, units second. This is the origin, along x axis I am taking 2 seconds equal to 1 unit, along y axis 1 meter equal to 1 unit. So here along x axis 1 unit equal to 2 seconds. First origin 0, next 2 second, next 4 second, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Enough. Okay, along x axis 2 seconds equal to 1 unit, so I am taking up to 40 seconds along x axis. Now along y axis 1 meter equal to 1 unit, so along y axis started from 0 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Enough. Observe here carefully. Drunkard walking 5 steps forward. Each step is 1 meter, requires 1 second time. First step starts from 0 meter, time is 0. Next second step 1 meter at 1 second. This is the 1 second, this is the 1 meter, so point located here. Second step 2 meter at 2 second, so 2 meter 2 second, this is the location of the point. Next 3 seconds at 3 meter. Okay, here 3 seconds at 3 meter. This is the third step. Next fourth step, 4 meters at 4 second. This is the 4 second at 4 meter. Next 5 second. This is the 5 second at 5 meter. This is the forward. This is the forward line. Okay. So after what happened? 3 steps backward and time is 1 second. The length of the step is 1 meter. So drunkard is located here 5 second at 5 meter backward. So 6 second at 4 meter. So 6 second at 4 meter. This is the point of the location. It is backward direction. Next 7 second, the length is 3 meter. 8 second, the length is 2 meter. Okay, 3 steps backward, 1 2 3 steps. This is the backward direction. Next forward 5 steps. So at 9 second, the location of the point is at 3 meter. Okay, next 10 second, the point of the location is at 4 meter. 11 second, the point of the location is at 5 meter. So location of the point is here. 12 second, the location of the point is at 6 meter. Next at 13 second, the location of the point is at 7 meter. Okay, 5 steps are completed. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the forward direction. Next 3 steps backward direction with same distance and same time. So at 14 seconds, the distance is 6 meter. So 14 seconds, distance is 6 meter. 15 seconds, the distance is 5 meter. 16 seconds, the distance is 4 meter. So 3 steps backward direction. Okay, like this you can draw up to 13 meter. So drunkard travel 13 meters maximum steps. It contains 5 backward steps, 5 forward steps and 3 backward steps. So this is the graph. This is the final point. Distance is 13 meter and time is 35 seconds. Okay, 37 seconds. So at 37 seconds, the distance is 13 meter. Okay, up to now we are discussed through the graph. Now we are going to calculate from the graph the distance covered in first 5 seconds. Okay, first 5 seconds. Total steps are 5. Those 5 steps are forward direction. Time is 5 seconds. So distance is 5 meter. Okay, next the distance covered in 8 seconds. 8 seconds means 5 steps are forward direction, 3 steps are backward direction. Total time is 8 seconds. So 5 steps are forward direction, so plus 5. 3 steps are backward direction, so minus 3. So total 2 meters. The distance covered in 13 seconds. Now 13 seconds, total time is 13 seconds. Here 8 seconds, 3 steps are backward direction. After backward, next forward direction, how many steps? 5. Okay. Here 8 seconds, travel the distance is 2 meter plus forward 5 steps. Okay. So 5 plus 2, 7 meter. Okay. 8 plus 5, 13 seconds. Those 5 steps are forward direction. That's why I am adding the 5 meter. 8 seconds, the distance is 2 meter. Next 5 steps forward plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7 meter. The distance covered in 16 seconds. Okay. We know that actually 8 seconds. 8 plus 8, 16 seconds. 8 seconds reaches the distance is 2 meter. Next 8 seconds travel the distance is also 2 meter. So 2 plus 2, 4 meter. Okay. The distance covered in 21 seconds. Here 16 plus 5, 21 seconds. So 5 seconds, how many steps travel? 5 steps. 16 seconds, how many distance travel? 4 plus 5 seconds, 5 steps are forward direction. So how much? 9 meter. Okay. The distance covered in 24 seconds. 24 seconds means 25, 21 second plus 3 seconds. 3 seconds means backward direction. 21 seconds distance is 9 meter. 3 seconds backward direction 3 meter. 9 minus 3, 6 meter. Next, the distance covered in 29 seconds. 29 means 24 plus 5 seconds. Total 29 seconds. So 24 seconds time is 6. 5 seconds are forward direction plus 5 equal to 11 meter. Next, the distance covered in 32 seconds. 32 seconds means 16 seconds plus 16 seconds. In 16 seconds, how much distance travel? 4 meter. Next 16 seconds travel distance is 4 meter. 4 4, 8 meter. The distance covered in 37 seconds. 37 seconds means 32 plus 5 seconds. So in 32 seconds, how many distance travel? 8 meter. In 8 seconds, 5 steps forward direction plus 5 meter. 8 plus 5, 13 meter. So in 37 seconds, how many distance travel? 13 meter. So observe here, this is the 37 seconds. How many distance traveled? 13 seconds. Next question. 3.5. A jet airplane traveling at the speed of 500 km per hour ejects its products of consumption at the speed of 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. This is relative to plane. What is the speed of latter with the respect to an observer on the ground? Here, a jet airplane traveling with a speed of 500 meters. This is the air jet plane. Here, consumption means gas. Okay. The speed of air jet plane traveling 500 km per hour. Okay. Here speed is given, but I want to velocity. What we do? Speed has no direction. If you consider along the direction, then it will converted as velocity. So it is travel forward direction. So here velocity Vj means velocity of jet airplane Vj equal to 500 km per hour. So velocity of jet airplane Vj equal to 500 km per hour. Next, ejects its product of consumption at the speed of 1500 km per hour. So here with respect to plane, the consumption speed is 1500 km hour inverse. Actually this is the speed is given. We will take the direction. Along the direction of the consumed air is backward direction. So backward direction represented with the negative direction. So that is jet airplane consumption Cj velocity Vcj equal to minus 1500 km per hour. Note down the values. Vj equal to 1500 km per hour. Velocity consumption of air with respect to jet airplane Cj equal to minus 1500 km per hour inverse. Here velocity consumption of the air with respect to jet airplane is given, but we want to find here velocity of consumption air Vc. Okay. Here V say J means consumption of the air with respect to jet airplane. This is nothing but relative velocity. Vcj, what is the formula of the relative velocity? VCJ equal to VC, relative velocity of the one object with respect to another, Vj. We know that VCJ value is minus 1500 kilometer per hour. Vc we have to find out minus Vj. Velocity of the jet airplane is 500. Okay. Vc equal to minus 1500 plus 500. So Vc equal to minus 1000. Units are kilometer per hour. Okay. So Vc means velocity of consumption of air. So the velocity of the consumption of the air is minus 1000 kilometer per hour. Velocity of the consumption of the air with respect to jet plane is minus 1500. If you observe the one person from the ground, he is thinking that velocity of the consumption is minus 1000 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Next question 3.6. A car moving along a straight highway with speed of 126 km per hour is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car assumed the car is in uniform motion, and how long does it takes for the car to stop? Here we have to find out retardation. Okay. Retardation means opposite direction of the acceleration. So we have to find out the retardation, a value and time. This is a car. Assume that the car is moving with uniform velocity. The velocity V, the velocity is initial velocity u equal to 126 kilometer per hour. Okay. When we apply brakes, immediately what happened? The car velocity is final velocity v equal to 0, then only the car will be stopped. So we have to find out the time and here retardation force acting on the car. So find out retardation and time values. The travel distance is 200 meter. Note down given values. Initial velocity of the car u equal to 126 kilometer per hour inverse. Actually, what is the units of the velocity? Meter per second. So converted into meter per second, 126 into 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 by hour equal to 3600 seconds. Then it converted meter per second. 2 zeros numerator denominator gets cancel. 2 5 times here 18 times So 126 into 5, 630, denominator 18. Okay, 630 by 18, 35 meter per second. So initial velocity value 35 meter per second. Final velocity v equal to 0. Displacement is 200 meter. So here we know that u value, v value, x value, which formula is suitable or which kinematics equation is suitable. V square minus u square equal to 2ax. We know that v value, u value, x value. So we have to find out the retardation a. Substitute all values v equal to 0 minus initial velocity 35 meter per second whole square equal to 2 into acceleration a displacement 200. Okay, here 35 whole square value is minus 1225 equal to a into 400. Okay, we have to find out the retardation force a equal to minus 1225 by 400, a equal to, so how many times gets cancel? Approximately minus 3.06 meter per second square retardation. So here retardation force is minus what? Why here negative? Retardation is always x opposite direction to the applied brakes. That's why here negative value. Next we are going to find the time value. So here we know that u, v, acceleration. So which kinematics equation is suitable? V equal to u plus at. We know that v value, u value, a value, we have to find out the time value. So 0 equal to initial velocity 35 plus retardation force minus 3.06 into t. Here 0 equal to 35 minus 3.06 t. Okay, so t equal to 35 by 3.06. So here approximately value is 11.41 second. So how much time? 11.41 second. Retardation force minus 3.06 meter per second square. So retardation force applied in 11.41 second. That is the answer. Next question 3.7. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter. Each train length is 400 meter. The names of the trains A and B. Each are moving on two parallel tracks with uniform speed of 72 km per hour in same direction. So train A and B are traveling same direction with A head of B. The driver of B decide to overtake A and accelerated by 1 meter per second. This is nothing but acceleration it after 50 seconds. The guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. What was the original distance between them? We have to find out the original distance between them after the overtaking. Okay. This is the train B. This is the train A. Length of the two trains are 400 meter. Same length. Travel in same direction with same or uniform speed. VB, here velocity, here VA, here driver B decide to overtake A. This is the overtake. Train B with velocity VB. Here some acceleration applied on train B. The acceleration is 1 meter second square. At time 50 seconds. First of all, I am going to find the relative velocity. Here both trains are traveling same direction. In that situation, I am going to find the relative velocity. B to A. So VBA equal to VB minus VA. Both trains are traveling same direction, so its relative velocity is VBA equal to 0 because both velocities are same. That's why relative velocity is 0. Acceleration A equal to 1 meter per second square, time t equal to 50 seconds. So we know that velocity value, acceleration value, t value. Which kinematics equation is suitable? X equal to ut plus half at square. Here u is one of the velocity. Here I am taking the relative velocity with respect train B to A. So here u value is comes to 0 into t. 50 second plus 1 by 2. Acceleration 1 meter per second square. Time 50 second whole square. So 1 by 2 into 50 whole square value is 2500. How many times gets cancel? 1250 meter. So here displacement train A to B, total displacement is 1250 meter. Total displacement from B to final. So here length of the two trains are 800 meters. This is the total distance 1250 meter. Here 800 meters are train's length. What is the distance between B and A? We are going to find. How to find? Original distance equal to total distance is 1250 minus length of the trains are 800 meter. So remaining 450 meter. So here 450 meter. That is the original distance between two trains A and B. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.